Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
So, are you today? Are you feeling good?
Good, but kinda sleepy.
All right. After this,
Good.
you can sleep. Okay. So, before we start our today's activity, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you. Okay. Now I want to check your attendance first. So, when I call your name, please say present, miss, or yes, miss. Okay? Dania,
Present, Miss.
Koltiva.
Present, Miss.
Great. Everyone is here today. Good job. Okay. Now I want you to look at these pictures carefully. The first pictures. What is these pictures about? This.
Daily routine.
What he is doing?
Bath. Take a bath.
Yes, very good. Someone is taking baths. So do you usually take a bath every day?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Okay. What about
But once a day, Miss.
once again? Wow,
Once a day.
once a day. Okay, that's okay. What about these pictures? The second pictures. Eat. Yes, someone is eating food. What about this?
Study.
Yes,
School.
studying in the school, right? And then next pictures. What she's doing?
Playing handphone.
Yes. So she's scrolling handphone, maybe after her school, right? And then what about these pictures?
Study.
Yes, maybe doing homework. Okay, and then the last
Oh.
one, what about this picture? Sleeping. Okay, so she's sleeping. Very good, everyone. So, from all these pictures, we can see many activities that people usually do every day. So, these activities are called daily activities. So, do you know what daily activities are?
Activity that we do every day.
Yes, Cultiva agreed. So, daily activities are things that we usually do every day. For example, like waking up, brushing our teeth, having breakfast, studying, and sleeping are daily activities. Okay, now since you already know what daily activities are, so we have learning objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify information from a descriptive text about daily routines, and then you will be able to understand new vocabulary related to daily activities, and then you also will be able to comprehend the content of a descriptive text using ReadLang. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now we move on. Okay, now let's discuss some example of daily activities. First, let's talk about morning activities. So can you tell me what you usually do in the morning?
I wake up
Yes?
from my sleep
Yes?
and then I salat subuh, Miss.
Oh,
Take prayer.
take prayer.
Pray, yes.
Yes.
And then take a bath here, take a bath. And I eat breakfast.
All right, Dania, good job. So yeah, we usually wake up in the morning and take a pray and then maybe take a bath and also have a breakfast, right? Okay, great answer. Now let's move to the next activities. School activities. So, what do you usually do at school?
We learn together
Yeah,
with
with your
our
friends.
with our Miss
Yeah.
Rona and our
Yes.
friends.
Good job. So yeah, we usually go to school and then study in this classroom and also play with our friends, right? And then we move to the next activities. In the afternoon activities after you go to school. So, what do you usually do after you go to school?
I take a nap, miss, because I very tired of studying.
Okay, good job, Daniel. So yeah, we usually go home and also take a nap and do homework or maybe help our parents. And then the next activities in the evening. Evening. So what do you usually do in the evening?
I eat dinner and then I play handphone, miss, scrolling
Wow,
TikTok,
yes.
and then I go to bed.
Okay, good job. So yeah, in the evening, we usually have dinner, watch television, or like scrolling handphone, and then we go to bed to sleep. All right, excellent. So based all those examples, so do you understand what daily activities are?
Yes.
Yes? So yeah, since you already understand about daily activities, now we are going to read a descriptive text using ReadLang website. So have you ever used the ReadLang website before?
No.
No, not yet? Okay, now we are going to use it. Okay, now please take out your phones or other device. Before we start reading, let me introduce this website first, okay? Okay, so this website is called ReadLang. So you can access it through your browser and it has many useful features to help us improve our reading and also vocabulary. So today we are going to use one feature called the library feature. This. Do you see it? Okay,
Yes.
so when you open ReadLang, you can click the library menu, and then in the sections, you can find many reading texts from different topics. You can also use the search button, this, to find a specific text. For example, if you want to read a text about hobbies, about school life, or daily activities, you can type the title or topic in the search box in there. See it? Can you see it? Okay, so and then another interesting thing is that you can customize the reading text based on your preferences. For example, you can choose the reading level, for example, from beginner to advanced, and also you can also choose the number of words in there. And then in addition, you can select whether you want to read EI generated text or non-EI text. And then you can also choose different categories of text such as like fiction, non-fiction, song, dialogue, or other text. And then if you want to explore all categories, you can choose all text types as well. Okay? So you can even browse text based on what is popular, trending, or newly added in there. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, ReadLang provides many options to help you find reading material that match your interest and also reading level. So today we are going to read a descriptive text entitled My Daily Routine. So if I type my daily routine in the search box, so the text will appear here. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. This is the text that we are going to read today. Now that you know how ReadLang works, so please take out your phones and then please scan this QR code on the screen. Or you may also open the link that I have sent in the chat box. Okay? Okay, let me know when you have opened the text.
I have opened.
Koldiva, you have opened it?
Yes, I already opened.
Okay, great. So today we will learn using the strategy I do, we do, and you do. So please pay attention to my screen. I want to practice I do stage. So yeah, if you find any difficult word in this text, you can simply click the word. For example, you don't know understand about the meaning of productive. So you can just click the word productive, and then can you see the meaning? Yes? So what is the meaning of productive?
Productive.
Yes, as you can see, the meaning appears automatically when you click the word. And then if you already understand the meaning and want to close it, you can just simply click the word again, like this, okay? And then now if you find a difficult phrase or sentence, you need to highlight or select the phrase first. For example, you don't know the meaning, but I know. So you can highlight this phrase and then click it up like this, okay? Okay. And then there is also an explain feature. So if you want a deeper understanding of a word, phrase, or sentence, you can click the explain button. For example, I choose few, sedikit, and then you click the explain feature. So this feature will give you more information and help you understand the meaning better. Do you understand how to use ReadLang? Okay, now let's do
Yes.
this together. Please read the first paragraph together with me. You can repeat after me, okay? My daily routine.
My daily routine.
Every day start when my alarm rings at 6 a.m. I usually feel a little sleepy, but I know that getting up early helps me stay productive.
Every day starts when my alarm rings at 6 a.m. I usually feel a little sleepy, but I know that getting up early helps me stay productive. Should we open our microphone, Miss?
Yes, you should. Hultifa, you can say it together with Dania.
Okay.
Okay, and then move to the next sentence. After stretching for a few minutes, I make my bed and head to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth.
After stretching for a few
minutes,
I make my bed and head to the bathroom
to wash my face
and brush my teeth.
Then I drink a glass of water to refresh myself before doing a short morning workout.
Then
I drink a glass of water to refresh myself or doing a short morning workout.
Sometimes I jog around the park near my house, and other times I follow an online yoga class.
Sometimes I jog around the park near my house, and other times I follow an online yoga class.
Exercising in the morning gives me energy.
Exercising in the morning gives me energy
And keeps my mind clear for the day ahead.
and keeps my mind clear for the day ahead.
Alright, everyone. So did you find any difficult words in this sentence, in this paragraph? What, Altifa?
Stretching.
Stretching. So you don't know the word stretching means. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we click it. Nah, the meaning of stretching means?
Peregangan.
Yes. And if you want a further explanation about this word, click the explain button. Nah, this is. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now we will move to the you do stage. So please continue reading the rest of the text, the whole text independently. Remember, if you find any difficult words, phrases, or sentences, you can use the features that we have learned before. You can click, translate, and use the explain feature if needed, okay? Let's start now. Have you finished reading the text?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, before we move to another feature in ReadLang, let's talk about the text for a moment. So, what is the text about?
The daily routine.
All right, good. So, more specifically, it's about someone's daily routine from morning until night. Now, based on the text, do you think the writer has a healthy lifestyle? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes? What do you think so? The writer has a healthy lifestyle.
because the writer exercises in the morning.
Excellent. Anything else, Koldifa? Yeah, so also the writers drink water and eat healthy food. Okay. So let's compare it with your daily routine. Do you have any similar activities to the writer? Do you have?
Yes, miss.
What activities?
Eat breakfast.
Yes, and then Koldifa, do you have any similar activities? Oh, maybe the Koldifa's microphone.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, Miss.
Yes,
Stretching, Miss.
stretching. All right, great answers. Now, do you remember what the writer's favorite time of day?
Evening.
Yes, excellent. How do you know that?
Because the writer says evenings are their favorite time of day.
Very good. And why does the writer like evenings?
Maybe Kaldifa wants to answer.
Oh, Kaltifa.
Same with Daniel.
All right, excellent answer. So, yeah. Okay, so it looks like you have understood the information in the text very well. Okay, now let's take a look at another feature in ReadLang. You can bake from the text, and then please look at the left side of your screen. Can you see the word list section?
Yes.
All right, in this section, ReadLang automatically saves all the words, phrases, or sentences that you click while reading. And so if you want to review them again later, so you don't need to search for them in the text, so you can simply open your word list. So I will open the text again. This, for example, I click this and also this. And then, the word list will appear in this section. Very useful, right? All right, now let's move to another feature called practice. So please click the practice button next to the word list section. So this feature helps us review and practice the vocabulary that we learn from the reading text. So inside the practice section, there are several practice options, but today we are going to use classic flashcards options. Before we start, I want to explain something. So this is not like a regular quiz when you have to type an answer or choose the correct option. Instead, the purpose of this activity is to help you remember the vocabulary that you have already learned. So first, try to remember the meaning by yourself, and then you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, first I will give you an example. I will show you how it works. So I will choose the classic flashcards option, and then for example, I will start. Nah, I see the word stretching. So before checking the answer, I try to remember the meaning first. For example, I think stretching means peregangan. So I will click the question mark to check the answer like this. Do you get it? And
Yes.
then after that, you can choose the remembering level. Not at all, almost, or yes. So Miss will pick yes, like this. So this helps me track how well I remember the word. Okay, now let's practice together with me. Please look at the flashcard on my screen. So what do you think this word means?
Menit.
Menit.
Minute. So now we can check together. Yes, great. So what did you remember? Not at all, almost, or yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we can click it. All right, and then the next one was
Mencuci.
mencuci. Okay, we can click it and then click the yes option like this. Okay? Do you get it?
And
Okay,
yes,
now
Miss.
it's your turn. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers before you check the meaning. The goal is to recall and remember the vocabulary. So please practice using your own flashcard. Remember, your flashcard may be different from your friends because they are based on the word, phrases, or sentences that you clicked while reading. Okay? So while practicing, please open your microphone and say the word and its meaning aloud so I can hear you. Do you get it?
Yes.
All right, you can start practicing right now.
Shower, maybe.
Organize, mengorganisasi.
Focus.
Researching. Meneliti.
Favorite.
Communicating, berkomunikasi.
Hobi, sehat.
Noodles, mie. Grateful, bersyukur.
Okay.
I'm done, Miss.
You're done?
I'm
Khalifa,
also
Yes.
done,
you
Miss.
done?
Yes.
Can you show me your result?
Ini, Miss. Gelap, Miss, HP-nya.
Okay, that's okay. Well, okay, excellent everyone. You did a great job today. Okay, now before we end our today's lesson, please type 2 until 3 new words that you learned from today's activity and write their meanings in the chat box. You can open the chat box, so I had already sent the example, okay? This. You can type it. Yes, Dania already said. Kultiva, where are your results?
White, Miss, still writing.
Okay. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you. Okay, now let's do some reflection for today's activity. So, what did we learn today in today's activity?
We learn about daily activities.
Yes. And then what information did you learn from the text?
From the
The writer wakes up at 6 a.m. Miss.
All right, good job. And
healthy
then,
life.
yes. What, Kultiva?
Healthy life.
Yes,
text
good
show.
job. Great. And then, what new words did you learn today?
Grateful.
Grateful. Then
Researching.
researching. Okay, good job. And then what do you think? Which feature of ReadLang that helped you the most today?
Instant translation and flashcard.
Okay,
Same.
good job, everyone. Good job, Jenny and Kultiva. Okay, did you enjoy today's activity?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for your participation and attention today. You all did a great job. See you in the next meeting, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, Miss.
All right. I will. Husnun.